Hello, today we are going to walk you through how to use Schedule Planner through your MyCentral student account. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is locate and log into your MyCentral. Once you are logged in, you're going to find the Schedule Planner app on your Student tab and within the Records and Registration page. So once again, at the top of your records and registration page, you have your student profile. We scroll down to our registration box, and we're going to select Schedule Planner. So the Schedule Planner application is an outside app that allows you and assists students in locating and enrolling for their upcoming semester's courses. So what we're going to want to do is deselect all of the campuses and select just the campuses you want to take classes on. So I'm going to select here in Warrensburg and our online, and click Save and Continue. I've already added in 3 classes here, but I'm going to show you how to add a course to your course list. So we click Add Course. You're going to select your subject, and you can type in or you can scroll and search. I'm going to select Psychology, and then I want to enroll in General Psychology. So I'm going to add the course, and it's going to pop up over here in your list of classes. Then this will give me 12 hours with these 4 classes, so I want to get to 15. So I'm going to add one more class of personal health and add the course over here. Once you have all your courses added on the right-hand side of the screen, we're going to click the red Schedule Planner button at the top and go back to the main page. So from here, we want to go ahead and generate schedules. And you can see with these 5 classes, these 15 credit hours, it's going to give me 320 different schedule options. We don't want to look through all those. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here to my breaks, and I'm going to say I want to be done by 2 o'clock every day. And so I come back, I generate schedules again, and it's taking me from 320 options down to 80. That's a little better. If you want to continue to add more breaks, you can click on the Add Break button, type in the name, and say you don't want classes until, let's say you want your first class to start at 9 a.m. every day of the week. You can add in a break. Maybe it's called Sleep In. Say from 8 o'clock to 8:50, do not allow any classes to fill there. And you can see that the Sleep In is located right there and it's marked. So we generate schedule again, and it left us at 80. So what you will do, click on View Your Schedules, and you can start going through. Now, whenever you have online campus as an option, you're going to want to look up here at this top section and see what classes are online, what classes are in person. Also in this scenario, you can see right here in this middle bar that the health class that we're looking at doesn't happen the first 8 weeks. On the 9th week, so here in October, the class will start. So whether you have a first half semester class or in this case a second half semester class, that's what this middle bar is going to show you. Or if your class runs the entire semester, it's going to show you there. Then we scroll down to our calendar view. Now you can see on here that 3 of these 5 classes are online, so they're not going to show on your calendar, but the 2 that are in person are going to show you right here. So what we can do with this is we can scroll up through here and use our arrow and kind of bounce around, and you can see how your class schedule will change. Okay, so if you're a person that just wants one class online, that might be something beneficial. You can kind of go through and find which section works for you. Okay, once you find the class schedule that works, I kind of like this one. Right now I've got Tuesday, Thursday, just one class in the morning, 9:30 to 10:45, and then I have my basic statistics class starting at 12:30 and going to 1:15 on Tuesday and Thursday. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I've got 2 classes. They start at 12 to go to 12:50 and 1 to 1:50. And then at 2 o'clock, I'm done for the rest of the day. And then we can see here in the middle section, I do have my one online class that is going to start in October. You can also expand the class information for each section, and you can see that that class is an online class. It's going to start the second half of the semester. You can even see who your instructor is for the course. Okay, And you can also see the start and end dates here. So I like this schedule. I'm going to go ahead and send it to my shopping cart. It's going to just confirm that we are going to leave Schedule Planner and go back into my Central to complete the enrollment. You'll hit OK. And then once you're back in my Central, you're going to click the Register button. Once you click Register, you are enrolled in those courses. If there's any errors or anything like that, the next screen will show you. If you have any errors or have any questions after you hit this Register button, you can always contact your advisor via email, or you can come in for walk-ins and see one of our success coaches, and they can also help you with the Schedule Planner application.